Now this is one of those cars where you think, wow, you know what, whoever buys this car will get themselves a fabulous example of the Audi Q7. This is a black edition Quattro in samurai grey with a silver leather interior on a 19, done 35,000 miles. The car is incredible. You know, I love, and I always profess that I love the Audi because you get a brilliant reliability, a great engine, great build quality, and in the Q7 you get an abundance of space with the power to boot. So a 3-litre diesel and a 50 TDI Quattro, which gives you 286 brake horsepower. Great stats really for a big car like this. And then this one's a black edition, so you've got the black styling, the LED light, xenon headlight, and then things like the 21-inch diamond cut wheels, which look fabulous, like a 5-arm wheel. Love them. Audi sport wheels they are. The black styling throughout, but then this one's got the panoramic opening, tilt and sliding roof. But then check the interior out. Such a rare colour, silver leather, which I think lifts the car on the inside. It's got a technology package with wireless phone charging, digital cockpit, electric memory seats, and then that opening sunroof. So much going for it, this car, and with such low mileage on a 19, so 35,000 miles, it comes with a full service history. But don't forget, this is a 7-seater, so with a family, it gives you everything. From the back end, it still retains its sportiness with the LED lights, front and rear parking sensors and reversing camera, privacy glass, powered tailgate and air suspension. So the ride control and the ride quality in these cars, whether you're going off-road, over bumps, fast down the motorway, it's a brilliant ride, nice and smooth and soft. Intelligent seat fold at the back, obviously your air suspension here, you've got the parcel shelf in place, but look at that boot as well. Even with 7 full-size passengers, you have that space to put luggage in and shopping, and probably fit your golf clubs in there. And one thing you can do is, with these buttons here, you can, if you have golf clubs, for example, because we get a lot of customers who play golf, one of these seats will go down, allowing you to have 6 seats and your clubs in there. Very configurable, very flexible. If you look around this car, it is a lovely order. So I mean, there's no dents on the car, there's no scratches, the wheels are all in a great condition. And that's what you want when you're buying a car. You want to buy a great example, and when I say that, this is one of those. Passenger side, from the rear, you'll see again this silver leather interior. The back seats, or the second row seats, are on runners, so you can move them forwards and back, creating more space in the second row or the third row. Now, another really important feature on this particular model Q7 is, if you look across those back seats, there is 3 Isofix points, so it can fit 3 car seats across the second row, and there's one in the front seat as well, so it's a proper family orientated car. Electric seats for driver and passenger with driver memory, like I say, tech pack, great finishes throughout, piano black, sunroof. If you look into the door, you'll see the Alcantara finishes as well. Floor mats in place, the car will come fully prepared, so we definitely will put it through 12 months MOT. If it's due a service, we'll do the service and whatever else this car needs in preparation. I mean, it doesn't need any wheel refurbs or body refurbs or anything. It's lovely. And then onto the driver's side. So I'm jumping in. It's easy to get in and out of. I don't need the steps on this car. It's not that high to get into, but I have quality finishes. I have electric seats with electric lumbar, with driver 2-stage memory. I have some form of ambient lighting through the door and through the car into the center console, which you can't really pick out because of the showroom lights, but it isn't a switchable one, so it's just like a nice warm white light that lifts the car in an evening. I don't think you need any more than that in one of these cars. You'll see we've got flat bottom steering wheel, S-Line. It is an S-Line black edition car. Cruise control, automatic lights, and switchable digital interface behind the steering wheel. So on the left hand side of the steering wheel, I can change the size of the clocks. I can look at my full map display, go through media, phone interface, trip computer. It's all very, very easy and real technological stuff. Here we've got drive select buttons, so if I press that, you can see I've got all road and off-road, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. But again, if you go into lift off-road, it has air suspension. You can see here the car goes through the different driving modes. Into dynamic, it'll lower the nose of the car, lower the suspension down. It performs really well. Like I say, 286 horsepower for this car. It's quick, it drives so well. S-tronic gearbox, which is your automatic gearbox. You've got hill assist and electronic handbrake, and if I put it into reverse, you'll then see we've got reverse camera, top view, Things like heated seats, climate controls, all digitalised by twisting it, air conditioning, sports seat, and under the armrest we have wireless phone charging with USB and auxiliary inputs under there, keyless start, cracking car. On the website now, you know, you'll get a great car, like I said. Certainly reliability from the 3-litre diesel engine, lovely condition, great price point, great on finance if you want to fund it. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. I'd love to chat to you about this car. Call me, thanks for watching.